This is West Virginia Youth Turkey Season 2025. This is Easton's last year as a youth. We were able to roost a bird the evening before the first morning of the hunt here. We came in and slipped in this access road and got across the hillside from this bird. As you'll be able to see, we were able to get him to commit, but we ended up working another bird later in the day that Easton was able to pull the trigger on.
We should stay with it. I think it's too thick to call over there. Nice. Kind of deal. Like he's not up towards that pine tree, he's more like over this way. He might be alright. We should stay right up the hill. See his head? Yeah, shoot him. See his head? Yeah, shoot him. Well, we had a call in. That bird finally came in after we shut up on him for a while. We thought a hen had went to him. Didn't think he was going to come in, but I seen him through some brush. Easton got the gun up. He never could get a real clean shot. The bird got scared and started shooting through the field. All you could see was the head, but when I first seen him, I could see a little bit of beard. Couldn't tell how long, but well, some excitement.
Just back to the truck from the first setup. We tried to go where that turkey gobbled the last time they were above us and set up in the right of way, called a little bit. Didn't answer. I'd say he took one out there right away and probably went on private land over here, but realized that somebody hadn't charged the main camera, so it's dead as a doornail right now. So got the solar generator hooked up. We'll give it a little bit of time to charge here. May make Easton carry the battery back into where we're going now, because it's probably a mile or so walk, and hate to not have the camera. Down. Down.
You ready?
He's loading.
Yeah, he's here, buddy. Yeah, he's here, buddy.
Get ready to shoot. He might get up. Get ready to shoot. Get ready to shoot. Go ahead and just kind of ease up her. Grab his head. Grab his head. Unless he tries to fly, just grab his head. Yeah, bud. Good job. That was awesome. He must have been come running. We almost wasted too much. We almost didn't get ready.
Yeah.
How's that? Good as last time?
Yeah, I think it was better than last time.
You got a few whole turkey this time, didn't you? Turkey down. We heard him after we left the truck. Called on the box call. Bruce's number 2, one of the boxes he made this year was full strut turkey calls. He answered once. We slipped around the back side of the hill here, was working out the ridge here. He just stopped and called, and Easton used one of Bruce's other box calls. And then I used this box call, and he cut the distance by half and gobbled again. We had another one coming the other way. We just had sat down, literally hadn't called again, and we heard him walking through the woods. Came up in this nice green area here, and Easton put the hammer down. Looked like a bunch of feathers just hit right here when you had him turned the other way a little bit. Right. Yeah, I know you went to puff out. I just started to call. I went. Youth day is a success. Easton just shot a nice, probably 2-year-old bird. Looks like he got about a 9-inch beard, 3/4 inch spurs. Came right in, heard him walking in after we'd called with the box calls. Went to strut, a couple little yelps on the mouth call, and boom, he put him down.